How to redeem Nordstrom gift card online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Nordstrom and search for it. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and click on this one, nordstrom.com. You will be directed to the official website of Nordstrom. Now you have to log into your account. Once logged in, you will land to this kind of page. Now you have to go ahead and select the items that you want to purchase. So I have selected the slippers. Select the details of your product. Then click on Add to Bag. Once you are done selecting the items and adding those items to the bag, click on Checkout. Once you are in the checkout page, first you have to provide your delivery address. So fill this, type in your email, then first name, last name, address, city, postal code, region, phone number, and then select the delivery method and click on Continue. You will land to the payment section, and in the payment section you will find this option of gift card. Click on the option of Apply a gift card, then type in your gift card details and then proceed to checkout, and with that your gift card will be redeemed. Well, this way you can easily redeem your Nordstrom gift card online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.